Mixing brown involves making orange or making purple and adding the third of the primary colours to either of those secondary colours. So at the moment I'm mixing orange, so I'm going to add blue, just a touch of blue, it's a much stronger colour, to make a fairly light tan brown. The darker brown I want to make, the more blue I could add. In order to make the brown lighter, I can add white until I get the desired colour. This is called tinting a brown, and obviously there are lots of medium, light and extremely light colours in skin tones. To tint the colour, you're going to either add white, and sometimes you can add yellow. Sometimes skin also reflects blues, greens and pinks in light areas. Another way of mixing brown is to mix red and blue to create a purple, and then add a small amount of yellow to lighten the brown and create that rich kind of golden colour. The more yellow you add, the more green this type of brown will become. And obviously you can soften it back again by adding a bit more red. Another way of creating a brown, but this is less successful because the brown ends up being tinted with black, so it has a more greyish tone. It's not such a bright colour as when you mix brown from colour only rather than black pigment. You mix an orange first of all, and you add a small amount of black, and from that black and orange mix you should get a type of brown. A little bit of trouble with my brush here, it's had glue on it or something, so it's a little bit stiff. But you can see that that's creating a nice darkish brown colour, but it will be a fairly dull colour because of the additive of the black. As you can see there, it doesn't have a brightness to it, it's a fairly dull colour.